Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Way. I'm Maya, and I'm so happy to see you again.
Hi, Maya. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here. Today we have a fun and cheerful topic, birthdays.
That's right. Birthdays are special days for everyone, no matter where you're from. They're about celebrating life, being thankful, and spending time with the people you love.
Exactly. And they're also a great topic for English learners because we often talk about birthdays, asking about them, giving wishes, and describing how we celebrate.
So true. Let's start simple. Alex, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 14th. It's usually warm and sunny, so I often celebrate outdoors. How about you, Maya?
Mine is on November 3rd. It's usually cool that time of year, so I prefer cozy celebrations, maybe a dinner at home or a small get-together with friends.
That sounds lovely. Do you like big parties or small ones?
Definitely small ones. I like when it feels personal and warm. Just a few close friends, music, food, and laughter. What about you?
I like both. Sometimes I enjoy quiet dinners, but other times I like big parties with balloons, games, and maybe even karaoke.
Oh, karaoke sounds fun. You know, birthdays are different for everyone. Some people love surprises, others prefer to plan everything themselves.
True. My sister loves surprises. Last year, her friends threw her a surprise party. She walked into the room, and everyone shouted, "Happy birthday!" She almost cried.
Ah, that's so sweet. I've always wanted to have a surprise party, but I think I'd be too emotional.
I can imagine. But whether it's a surprise or not, birthdays are a time to make memories.
Absolutely. It's also a time when people show kindness. They give gifts, send cards, or simply say kind words.
Speaking of that, let's teach our listeners a few useful birthday expressions they can use in English.
Good idea. You can say, Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day. Wishing you all the best. Many happy returns. Have an amazing year ahead.
Those are perfect. And when it's your own birthday, you can say things like, "It's my birthday today. I'm turning 25 this year. I, I had a wonderful birthday celebration."
Yes. And remember, in English we say turn when talking about age, like I'm turning 30 next week.
Exactly. And we usually use on for dates. My birthday is on July 9th.
Great tips, Alex. So, what's your favorite thing about birthdays?
Hmm. I think it's the feeling of connection when friends remember you, send messages, or call just to say happy birthday. It's simple but meaningful.
That's true. For me, it's about reflection. I like to think about the past year, what I've learned, what I'm thankful for, and what I want in the new year of my life.
That's beautiful, Maya. Birthdays really are more than parties. They're moments to appreciate life and people.
Exactly. And in the next part, we'll talk about how people celebrate birthdays in different ways, from traditions and food to fun activities around the world.
Sounds exciting. So stay with us, everyone. We'll be right back. So, Maya, we were talking about birthdays, and now I'm curious. How do people usually celebrate birthdays in your family?
Oh, in my family, birthdays are simple but full of love. We always start with a small family breakfast. My mom usually makes my favorite meal, pancakes with strawberries. Then, in the evening, we have dinner together, sing happy birthday, and share a cake.
That sounds wonderful. I love family celebrations like that. Warm, simple, and full of laughter.
Yes, it's not about big gifts or fancy restaurants, but about being together. How about you, Alex? What are your family traditions?
In my family, we always make a point to celebrate everyone's birthday, no matter how busy we are. When I was a kid, my parents used to decorate the living room with balloons the night before, so when I woke up, everything was colorful and fun.
Ah, that's so sweet. I love that idea. It makes the birthday morning feel extra special.
Yes, I think little details like that make birthdays memorable. And now that we're adults, we still call or video chat to celebrate together, even if we're far away.
That's beautiful. You know, I think every culture has its own birthday traditions. For example, in many countries, people blow out candles and make a wish before cutting the cake.
Yes, and in some cultures, people have very special foods for birthdays. Like in Japan, they sometimes eat noodles on birthdays because noodles symbolize a long life.
Oh, that's interesting. And in Mexico, they have piñatas at children's birthday parties, colorful paper figures filled with candy. The kids take turns hitting it until the sweets fall out.
I love that. It's such a fun way to celebrate. In my country, we often sing loudly, give gifts, and take a lot of pictures.
Yes, photos are a must. Birthdays are full of moments you want to remember forever.
Absolutely. And speaking of gifts, Maya, do you like giving or receiving gifts more?
Honestly, I love giving gifts. It makes me happy to see someone's face light up when they open it.
Me too. It's not about the price, it's about the thought behind it. Even a small handmade card can mean a lot.
Exactly. And for English learners, birthdays are a great time to practice polite expressions when giving or receiving gifts.
Yes. For example, if someone gives you a gift, you can say, "Thank you so much. That's so kind of you." "Oh, you didn't have to. I really love it."
And if you are giving a gift, you can say, "I hope you like it. I thought of you when I saw this. This is just a little something for you."
Those are wonderful, Maya. Politeness and kindness always make celebrations more special.
Absolutely. And don't forget birthday invitations. You can invite someone by saying, "I'm having a birthday party this weekend. Would you like to come? Join us for my birthday dinner on Saturday." Or "I'd love for you to celebrate with me."
Great examples. It's always nice to invite people in a friendly way. And when you accept an invitation, you can say, "I'd love to," or "Thanks, I'll be there."
Exactly. And if you can't go, you can politely say, "I'm so sorry, I can't make it, but happy birthday."
Perfect. You see, even simple occasions like birthdays can help learners practice real, useful English.
That's so true. And beyond the language, birthdays remind us of the value of love, connection, and gratitude.
I couldn't agree more. A birthday isn't just about getting older. It's about celebrating life, learning, and all the beautiful memories along the way.
So beautifully said, Alex. And in the next part, we'll talk about how to plan a birthday, how to make it special, fun, and meaningful, whether it's for yourself or someone else.
Sounds amazing. I can't wait. Let's continue in part 3, everyone. So Maya, you mentioned planning birthdays. I think that's one of the most exciting parts. How do you usually plan yours?
Well, I like to start with something simple, deciding whether I want a quiet celebration or a party. Then I make a list of who I'd like to invite and what kind of food or activities we'll have.
That's a smart way to do it. I usually start by choosing a theme. Sometimes it's a color theme, like blue and gold, or something fun, like movie night or picnic party.
Oh, that sounds fun. A picnic birthday sounds lovely. Fresh air, music, snacks, and friends, that's my kind of celebration.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be expensive. What matters most is the feeling, people laughing, sharing stories, and enjoying time together.
Yes. And even small details can make a big difference, like decorating the table, choosing a nice playlist, or baking your own cake.
I agree. I once baked a cake for my friend's birthday. It didn't look perfect, but when I gave it to her, she said it was the sweetest gift ever because it came from the heart.
That's so touching, Alex. Homemade gifts or surprises always have a special meaning. They show love and effort.
Exactly. And speaking of surprises, have you ever planned a surprise birthday for someone?
Oh, yes, I did once for my best friend. We told her we were just going out for coffee, but when she arrived, everyone was waiting with balloons and music. She was so shocked, she started laughing and crying at the same time.
That sounds perfect. It's moments like that which stay in our memories forever.
Totally. Birthdays are about making people feel seen and appreciated. It's not just about gifts, it's about giving love, attention, and joy.
That's true. And for our listeners, birthdays are also a great time to use English in real situations. You can write English messages, cards, or even posts on social media.
Yes. For example, you can write, "Happy birthday. Hope your day is full of love and laughter. Wishing you happiness, health, and success in the year ahead. May all your dreams come true this year. Have a fantastic birthday and enjoy every moment."
Those are great examples. And if it's a close friend, you can make it more personal, like, "You're such a wonderful friend. I'm so lucky to have you in my life." Or, "Thank you for always being there. Hope your birthday is as amazing as you are."
That's so sweet, Alex. Words like these can make someone's day even more special.
I think words are the best gifts sometimes. They stay in people's hearts longer than anything else.
That's so true. And birthdays remind us to say those words, to express love, gratitude, and kindness.
Exactly. Maya, sometimes people feel sad about getting older, but I think birthdays should be about celebrating how far we've come.
I completely agree. Every year brings new lessons, new memories, and new opportunities to grow. Getting older is something to be proud of, not afraid of.
Well said. Each birthday is like a new chapter in our story, and we get to write it the way we want.
That's such a beautiful thought, Alex. So, to all our listeners, we hope your next birthday, and every birthday, is full of happiness, laughter, and love.
Yes, and remember, it doesn't matter how big or small your celebration is. What matters is that you feel thankful and loved.
Exactly. Enjoy your special day, take pictures, eat cake, and make wonderful memories.
And don't forget to use your English while you celebrate. Say thank you, give compliments, and share your joy in English.
Perfect advice, Alex.
Well, I think we've shared a lot of birthday spirit today.
We sure have. And we hope our listeners enjoyed this joyful topic as much as we did.
So, wherever you are, if it's your birthday soon, happy birthday from us at Easy English Way.
Yes. We wish you all the happiness in the world.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep celebrating life.
That's right. See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye for now, and happy birthday.